Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign out of your Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. Then next we're going to click on the account section. Then next click on settings on the top right corner. Then as you can see there's the logout button, you're going to click on it. Then once you click on logout it's going to sign you out. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy process. Then sometimes you guys need to log in again. So this is how you basically do it. We also have different videos in our how-to tutorials. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.